What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix stuttering and freezing in Hogwarts Legacy on PC, especially for using NVIDIA or AMD graphics. These fixes are simple, effective, and still work in 2026. Let's start with the graphics control panel fix that helps a lot with micro-stuttering. If you're using an NVIDIA GPU, right-click anywhere on your desktop and open the NVIDIA control panel. From there, click Manage 3D Settings under the 3D Settings section. Scroll down until you find Vertical Sync. Change it to either on or off and click Apply. Some systems run smoother with VSync enabled, while others benefit from turning it off, so test both options and keep the one that feels smoother. If you're on an AMD GPU, right-click on your desktop and open AMD Radeon Settings. Go to the Gaming tab, then open Global Settings. Find Wait for Vertical Refresh and set it to Always On or Always Off. Apply the change and close the panel. Just like with NVIDIA, testing both options helps determine what works best for your system. If the stuttering or freezing is still happening, the next major fix is disabling ray tracing. Ray tracing makes lighting and reflections look more realistic, but it's extremely demanding and can easily overwhelm mid-range or even high-end systems in Hogwarts Legacy. Even if your PC supports it, ray tracing is one of the biggest causes of freezing and frame drops in Hogwarts Legacy. Open Hogwarts Legacy and go to the main menu, then select Settings. Head into Graphics options and look for the Ray Tracing settings. Turn off Ray Tracing Reflections, Ray Tracing Shadows, and Ray Tracing Ambient Occlusion. If you don't want to fully disable it, you can lower ray tracing quality from Ultra down to High, Medium, or Low depending on your PC. Once you make these changes, click Apply Settings and restart the game. Ray tracing changes won't fully apply unless you reboot the game, and this step is important. For most players, adjusting VSync in the GPU control panel and disabling ray tracing completely removes stuttering, freezing, and heavy lag spikes in Hogwarts Legacy. And that's it! Those are the most reliable fixes for Hogwarts Legacy stuttering and freezing on PC using NVIDIA or AMD graphics. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.